Hello everyone, it's me here, Today I'm going to show you a project that I'm working on, and this is my personal website showcasing my 7-day cloud journey for AWS Builder Challenge Submission with entirely on AWS free. This is my personal story of mastering cloud hosting. So without further ado, let's explore our website. So starting with this header, this brand header customized for global resilience. So if you want to click intro, you can also click intro, or you can also click on explore now, which just drag you to the same environment. So you can see on this intro, you can see animated milestones from students, beginnings to multi-country deployments, and with real-time GitHub updates via Lambda DynamoDB gateway and on my secure foundation. Notice the HTTPS logs here, so powered by AWS Certificate Manager. This is a professional grade website runs on global AWS network. And next we go to is work. So let's click on work, and the work shows an interactive dashboard via AWS metrics like cost, utilization, and security pull from CloudWatch. So visualize with chart.js for at a glance insights. The interactive showcase highlights real projects. So you can see here. Now if you click here, you can see the project impact years, impact stats, and the details. This interactive showcase highlights the real project and achievements all hosted securely on S3. So you can see here. Now let's click here. So you can see the stats here, impact stats. Now let's go down and see here. And now click here, you can see the impact stats here. Then now let's click here, the impact stats here. And on August 18, 2025, our full stack integration. You can see here. And also interactive timeline. What we have added here, it's just a GitHub updates. And you can see the date challenge completed 3 days. Actually, it's supposed to 7 days, but I haven't updated yet. Then the 5 AWS service integrated, 100% free tire, 6 months all animated here. So also if you want, you can also get the mobile version of this. Let's take the mobile version. So you can see here, it's a mobile version of this. On mobile, it will look like this. Now let's click check the simulator. The next we will go to is, I guess we will go to the about section here. In about, it showcases my personal story with my photo here. You can see me here, build during the challenge day on 3, like content creation phrase. Every element demonstrates the skills I learned here. So you can see my story here. From student to disaster, you can see my story. 6 months ago I was an undergraduate student of CS student. Title, and also you can see the course overview, resource utilization, security status, project health. All of them are here on the dashboard. And also you can see the updates are 5 minutes ago. All of them are available here. Now let's click on the simulator. So it's a JavaScript canvas here, demo of response coordination. So if you click on the start here, it will demonstrate the real-time coordination using AWS Lambda for alerts, DynamoDB for data. You can learn more on the timeline that I've added there. So you can see hurricane in area 1, then hurricane in area 2, then you can also flood in area 3, 98.2% success. We're recording already this here, wildfire in area 4, then flood on area 5, with success rate 98%, then also the flood in area 6. All of them are within this global area. So simulation complete, global optimized. So you can see we have coordinated 6 responses, success rate all 97.2%. So to this, like we have added this, now click on reset, it will drag it down to reset, then all of it just stays the same. We're gonna go to his context section here. Now let's go to a context section. Now click on the contact. You can see here, you can share your thoughts on how you like my website on this humanitarian tag, and we can also collaborate. And you can also connect with me on socials. Here are all my social link here, and my Facebook profile. Then if you click on Instagram, it will drag you to my Instagram account. Now if you click on the GitHub, it will drag you to my GitHub account. Now let's also here, you can also contact me here, like by typing your name, then email, then also saying, hey, I'll just message on within the 500 characters, like, hey, I want to learn AWS and how you build this. Also you can see that this actually has an AWS ACS integrated, and if you click on send message, it will send me the message. Also if you reset all the message here, you can also click on this, and this site is protected by recaptcha from Google, and you have to maintain privacy policy and terms of services. So this has recaptcha protection here that we built on the day 6 of the contact implementation. Now click on the message button, it will send me the message through AWS ACS. Now the message has already been sent. How we can verify? Let's check the mail here. Now you can see here we are on the spam box, and click on this email. You can see that what I have typed here, my name, my mail, and hey, I want to learn AWS, and how we build this, exactly how we typed. Now let's go back to our website. What makes this special is every feature represents a day of learning, secure foundation, private storage, and content creation, global distribution, professional deployment, secure forms, and sharing our success, just like we shared today. Then this challenge transformed me from the cloud curious to cloud confident in just 7 days, all within the AWS free trial limit. The S3, the CloudFront, Certificate Manager, ACS, and R53, all are just $0. It took me just $0 to learn so much stuff here. Then if you check on the SEO score here, let me just share my screen. You can see that I've also checked with the Google Lighthouse here to check how this performs. Then you can see when the runs, it had S3 static hosting with CloudFront, global distribution, R53 DNS management, and Certificate Manager SSL. This is the complete AWS stack here, this website. And Lighthouse performance of score more than 70 performance and 100 on 100 on accessibility best practice SEO. Isn't it great? This proves that this architecture actually works. And thanks to Amazon Web Services, we have democratized the cloud skills. Like Amazon Web Services has helped me learn so many stuff without any costs offered on my credit card. And you can also check out website, like website link here. I will share the CloudFront link on the YouTube video description. And also you can check the code. I will share you the GitHub code link, so you can also get the idea of how you can implement this one. And also vote for me on the AWS Builder website. I will share you the article link on the description where you can get the how we have built behind the scenes updates on how I actually build this website within 7 days. And also if you feel inspired and want to build your own AWS website like this one, you can just write an article on AWS Builder website within 26, then tag #launch challenge 1, then share me your website link. I would love to vote for your website. So let's build the future together, and share me your website on the YouTube video comments.